Maria Montessori, the pioneer of theories in early childhood, a mentor for all of us, the person who established the Montessori method. Let's have a look on her life on her 150th birth anniversary. Maria Montessori was born on 31st August in Chiaravelle, Ancona province, Italy. She attended a boys' school in Rome. In 1890, she went against her father to pursue her wish to become a doctor. In 1896, she became the first woman to obtain a Doctor of Medicine degree from the University of Rome. She represented Italy at the International Women's Congress in Berlin, where she addressed the rights of working women, including equal pay for equal work. She also studied the writings of French doctors who worked with disabled children. In 1897 and 98, she ordered courses in pedagogy at the University of Rome. In 1899, she attended a Women's Congress in London, where she was received by Queen Victoria. From 1899 till 1906, she conducted lectures in hygiene and anthropology at the Teacher Training College for Women in Rome. In 1900, she worked at the Psychiatric Clinic in Rome. She was also appointed as the director of the Orthophrenic School. In 1901, she began her second degree in education, experimental psychology and anthropology, at the University of Rome. 1904 till 1908. She conducted lectures in anthropology and biology at the University of Rome. In 1907, the first children's house, Casa dei Bambini, was opened at 53 Via de' Marsi in the San Lorenzo district of Rome on January 6th. In 1909, she gave her first training course in her method to about 100 students in Città del Castello. In 1910, she wrote her second book, Pedagogical Anthropology. In 1911, she resigned from her teaching post at the University of Rome and gave up her private medical practice to concentrate entirely on education. The Montessori method was already being put into practice in English and Argentinian schools and was beginning to be introduced into Italian and Swiss primary schools. In 1912, the English version of Metodo appeared in the US in an edition of 5,000 copies under the title The Montessori Method. In 1913, she held the first international training course in her apartment in Rome under the patronage of Italy's Queen Margherita. Montessori Educational Association was founded in the US. Its membership included Alexander Graham Bell, his wife Mabel Bell, S.S. McKellar, and President Wilson's daughter Margaret Woodrow Wilson. In 1914, second international training course was held in Rome. Montessori's third book, Dr. Montessori's Own Handbook, was published in New York. In 1915, she went to US accompanied by her son Mario, where she addressed International Kindergarten Union and National Educational Association (NEA). She also held the third international training course there. In 1916, she moved to Barcelona at the invitation of the city government. The fourth international training course was held in Barcelona. Her fourth book appeared, The Advanced Montessori Method, in the same year. In 1919, training courses were held in London using the format that would become the standard. 50 hours of lectures, 50 hours of teaching using the materials, 50 hours of observation of Montessori classes. Let's have a look on the events occurred in the 1920s. 1921. She founded the New Education Fellowship, which is known as the World Education Fellowship. In 1922, the publication of The Child in the Church, London Montessori's first book on the Catholic liturgy from the child's point of view. In 1923, training courses in London and Netherlands were held. In 1924, 4 months training course was held in Amsterdam, meeting with Benito Mussolini, who had come to power in 1922, which resulted in official recognition and widespread establishment of Montessori schools by Italian government. 1925, Mario Montessori took this course and received his Montessori diploma. 1926, she visited Argentina and spoke on education and peace at the League of Nations in Geneva. In 1927, she visited schools in Ireland for the first time. In 1928, the book The Child in the Family was published in German. In 1929, a Montessori teacher training center was built along with a model Montessori school in Rome. In collaboration with her son Mario, she founded the Association Montessori International (AMI). In 1930, she conducted lectures in Vienna, during which she became acquainted with Anna Freud. In 1931, international training courses were held in Rome and England. Mahatma Gandhi visited Montessori schools in Rome. In the following years, the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th International Montessori Congress were held. From 1939 till 1946, training courses in Madras, Kodaikanal, Karachi, and Ahmedabad and in Ceylon were conducted. In 1941, The Child, and in 1942, Reconstruction in Education were published in India. In 1947, they went to a trip to Italy, where they revived the Montessori Society. In 1949, she was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize. 1 month training was held in Pakistan, assisted by Mario and Albert Johnson. The Absorbent Mind was published in India. The last training course run by Maria Montessori was held in Innsbruck, Austria. Maria Montessori left this world on May 6th in Netherlands. She is buried at the local Catholic cemetery. Today, Montessori's teaching methods to follow the child are followed all over the globe.